Hi guys, Mike Sperduti here, and today I wanted to talk to those who just won a GPO contract, or you have a GPO contract in place and you're just not getting nearly the sales that you thought you'd get out of this amazing group contract. Now, let me just start with this. Everybody knows that a GPO contract is not committed volume. It's just a license to sell. So when you win the contract, how are those decision makers that need the products and services that you're selling, how are they going to switch over to you? How are you going to let them know that you're on the GPO contract? How are you going to let them see, hear, and feel that you're better than the current solution that they're using? Right? It's not magic where they just go into their computer and your product pops up and they order, right? So, and I've interviewed a lot of purchasing managers and a lot of decision makers who order through GPO contracts, and they'll be the first ones to tell you that they're so overwhelmed that they never even notice or have the time to investigate what new products and services go on that GPO contract. So this is the best advice that I'm going to give to you guys who have GPO contracts and dissatisfied, or you just won one, is use the telephone. Okay? Once you win the contract, you are given the membership list. Typically, you're given who the decision maker is and a phone number. All that hard work is done for you. Now what you need to do is just hire an inside sales force or outsource to a company like mine, where they'll go in, they will make the phone calls, they'll introduce your product or service, they'll highlight why it was chosen for the GPO contract, and they'll actually facilitate the buy process, which is exactly why you got the contract in the first place. So the phone provides the fastest, most effective way to get the attention of the buyer and convert that attention into sales. Now, I'll give you the best example personally where I've used this, and I've made a tremendous amount of money for myself and my companies. My first job in healthcare was selling Ziploc bags to hospital pharmacies. And we had won GPO contracts throughout the country, and we were getting no sales, just like many of you. And so I implemented this inside sales approach, again, talking about Ziploc bags. The least sexy product, the least amount of money, nobody cares about bags, but hey, that was my job. I needed to be the king of the Ziploc bag. So I brought passion, I brought enthusiasm, I do all the things that I tell you guys to do with Ziploc bags, and we, throughout the years, dropped tremendous dollars. Changed the course of our company, changed the course of my career with Ziploc bags using this approach. So here it is, folks. You win the contract, you're dissatisfied with the contract, put in an inside sales program, get a one-to-one relationship for every call, a conversation, and watch those results skyrocket. We'll talk to you all soon.